In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize GoHighLevel dashboard step by step without coding. We'll start inside your sub account. Log in as you normally do, and once you're in, switch over to Agency View. This is the control center where you can customize what your clients and team members see, so it's the perfect place to tailor the dashboard experience. From there, open Settings. In the Settings area, click Company. This takes you to your agency-level company profile, where you manage branding and the navigation items that appear in the left-hand sidebar. Everything we set up here will shape how the dashboard feels for selected accounts. Next, go to Custom Menu Links. Custom links let you place your own shortcuts directly in the sidebar. Think of them as your quick access buttons to important resources, like a reporting dashboard, a help center, training materials, or any analytics page you rely on. The best part is you can do this entirely in the interface, no code needed. Click Create New. Start by selecting an icon. The icon is the small visual cue that appears in the menu. Picking a relevant one makes the link instantly recognizable and speeds up navigation for your users. Now type a link title. For example, name it Dashboard so it's clear and easy to find. Keep titles short, action-oriented, and consistent with the rest of your menu for a clean, professional look. Add the URL next. This tells GoHighLevel exactly where to send users when they click. Paste the full, secure address to your dashboard or resource. If you use tracking parameters, include them here so you can measure engagement later. Click Save. After saving, choose which account should see this link. Selecting the specific sub-account ensures the shortcut only appears where it's relevant, which keeps other workspaces tidy. Set role-based visibility, and choose user for this example. Visibility controls who can see the link, admins, users, or both, so you can keep internal tools private while giving frontline users quick access to what they need. Click Save again to finalize those settings. To add another shortcut, click Create New once more. Select an icon, enter a clear title, and paste the URL. Then select the account that should see it, set role-based visibility to user for this example, and save. That's it. You've customized your sub-account dashboard with branded, time-saving shortcuts, all without touching code. Pro tips: use consistent naming, verify each URL is correct and uses HTTPS, and choose icons that match the link's purpose. You can always return here to edit or remove links as your needs evolve. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.